Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Windows 10 keeps locking itself automatically or randomly. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start menu and open Settings. Now, select the System option. From the left-hand menu, choose Power and Sleep. On the right side, click Additional Power Settings. Here, select Change Plan Settings next to your active power plan. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and expand the battery section. Now, click on Critical Battery Action. For the option plugged in, change it to Do Nothing. Next, scroll down to Low Battery Action. For both On Battery and Plugged In, change the settings to Do Nothing. Once done, click Apply and then OK. That's it. Your computer should now stop locking automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.